Good morning. We're ready for the day. Well, I am. Someone's saying hello. Hello, Buggalugs. And we're off to go shopping. Let's see how I go filming out in public. That'll be fun, won't it? How's that for breakfast? Not a very healthy breakfast, isn't it, Matthew? So, honestly, I was not very hungry tonight. Didn't eat much. Had to take some chicken out for dinner tomorrow night because we are going to have tacos. And it's backwards, sorry, it's on the selfie, so but we're going to have standard stuffed taco kick. So I shredded some chicken and yeah, haven't really had a little bit of that in some bread, a sandwich now, and just having a lemonade, some ice in it because it's getting hot. I was happy with the mail today. So happy. My football membership for next year came in, so I can't wait for footy season to start. It usually starts around like the end of March, usually around Easter weekend if it's in March. Yeah, so I can't wait for that. I finished Matthew's stocking. I'm just sitting down. I finished watching some cricket on the TV, the Big Bash League. Just been catching up on some of my YouTube videos, the channels that I do watch. Because a lot of them, when they do go up live here on YouTube, because they're from America, it's after 3 a.m. in the morning when they're here in Melbourne when they go up. So it's usually, as I said, this night, it's now currently 11:15 Tuesday evening, Tuesday night. So I'm finally getting to watch them. So it's usually how I wind down my days if I've had busy days, whereas today was a really busy day. I barely even got to do any recording. So as you said, the first parts of today, it's not a lot that I actually got to do. I was hesitant when I was out in the shopping centre to film anything. And so I've only just started all this vlogging, so I'm not comfortable with it just yet. I will get more comfortable, I suppose, as it goes on. I don't have to get them anything. It's just the nice thing to do. It's for my best friend's partner. But yeah, so I just have to wait and see if I can get it or not. Otherwise, I can order one online and he can just get it after Christmas. But I would like to have it so Christmas Day he can open it. I'm hoping this week before Christmas also to get more baking done. My boyfriend's sister and her family, her husband and their 2 kids, they go away Christmas. They usually leave Christmas afternoon. They have a big party with her husband's family Christmas Eve. They have theirs Christmas Eve so that they can do their whole individual family thing Christmas Day. And then usually Christmas Day afternoon, Matthew's sister and that they head off and they go away for about 10 days. But they're not leaving till Boxing Day this year because they find it's too much of a rush, and they get to their destination later at night than they would like to, so they figured they would just leave Boxing Day instead, and they'll get up there at a decent time, and it will actually be, you know, one night's less that they have to actually pay, so it's saving them money as well. Because, I mean, they get up there, it's dark, they're hardly there any time when they go Christmas afternoon. So, yeah, they'll go Boxing Day, but we will go Christmas. Well, now that they're leaving Boxing Day, we can go a little later instead of like first thing in the morning, Christmas morning, to give the kids their presents. We don't buy the adults presents. It's more about the kids with them. So sometimes they do buy us something, you know, from the kids. Just like my sister with my nephew, she'll buy us a present, but it's from my nephew, not from them. I'm actually looking forward to Christmas this year, especially to see Matthew's niece and nephew's reactions this year compared to last year, because, you know, they're a year older, especially the youngest one. He's now, what is he? He's now 4. He turned 4 in February. No, sorry, not in February. Brain fade. He turned 4 in November. So looking forward to that. We got him some Lego. He's getting into Lego, so we got him some Lego, and he's at that right age for it too. And his niece is really into like artsy and craftsy things, which I absolutely love, because, you know, that's what I do. I love doing arts and crafts and things. So I got her a little, sort of like a DIY headband, like own little headband. They make her own headbands. That, and also a little. My cousin is I love her creations. She's not perfect. Actually, she hasn't been doing it that long. She hasn't been doing it for a few years. She's been crocheting, and she crocheted these little seahorses for me for the 2 little ones for Christmas. So it'll be good to give that to them as well. I'm going to be sneaky and filming. This is what's happening. The bungalow has gone to the backyard. I'll put a before photo up and some after photos up later. Fun things happen here, hey Matthew? Police helicopters landed in the middle of the football oval. Don't know why. We just all of a sudden heard it was flying low over the house. So we came to Sticky Beak, as you do. Yeah, our walk for the day too. I've got to do a proper one. We've been up early. What time were we up? 7 o'clock?
you the backdraft how strong it is. I never actually felt it.